Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to all. In this video I am going to show you how to edit a PDF document. You can edit the PDF document, you can write in the PDF document, you can cut the PDF documents if there are multiple documents in one single file. So without any delay, let me show you how to edit a PDF file. See, nowadays due to COVID, almost all we are work from home, so most of the time we receive so many letters, most of the time we receive so many application forms in which we have to fill the information. If it is a Word document, you can download the Word document and you can fill the information and you can share the information again. Or if it is a Google sheet or it is a Google form, you can easily fill the information and you can share the information. But whereas if somebody sent you a PDF file or a PDF document or an application in a PDF format, and if they ask you to fill the document which is in the PDF form, and if they ask you to send the document in PDF form, then it would be very difficult for most of us, because it's not easy to edit PDF document, it is not easy to write in the PDF document. And most importantly, if they have sent so many pages and you want to take only one page in the PDF document, then it would be more difficult. So in this video I am going to show you, using one online application you can edit PDF document. So without any delay, let us begin this video. First you have to come to Google Chrome browser, it is online, you can do, and then type here Sejda PDF editor, SEJDA, Sejda PDF editor. It is free online, so select it. So what is the name of the PDF editor which you are going to use to edit PDF documents? SEJDA, Sejda. So click here, easy to use online PDF editor, select this one. It's a very simple PDF editor. So many people asked me so many times how to edit a PDF file or document, so I suggested, so I thought of making a video on this. So here we are in online PDF editor. Edit PDF files for free, fill and sign PDF. Okay, it's a very simple. I am going to demonstrate how to edit a PDF document. Say for example, you have received an application in your email and they ask you to fill the application. But how do you fill the PDF application? I'll show you how to do that. You download that application from your Gmail and then save it on the desktop and then upload the PDF file in this website. And you can upload even directly from Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, and even web address URL. But let me show you the simplest way. After downloading the PDF file in your desktop, you have to upload. So for that, click upload PDF file. So once you select upload PDF file, so on desktop I have selected already 3 different PDF files. So let me select first one. It is like an application form. If you are a student or employee, you have to fill application forms in this way. So this is the application form which is already uploaded in the sejda.com. Now what you want to do is you want to fill this application, okay, in the PDF format. So here for example, name, designation of government servant. If you want to fill your details, then what you have to do is just come to the place where you want to fill the details and then click, I suppose, left mouse click, select it. So here you can see it is highlighted, type your text, then enter your name in that. So let me enter my name, YVK Swami. Okay, now once you enter this one, there are so many options you have to edit this text. For example, if you want to make it bold, select bold, or if you want to make it italicized, you can select italicized, or if you want to change font size, select font size. You can increase the font size or you can even decrease the font size, and even you can change the font also. So many different fonts are available, so you can use according to your convenience. And color also there, see, you can change your font color also according to your preference or requirement. So this is the way. And now if you want to delete this one, you have typed but you don't want to enter, then you have to press this delete button. So in this way you can enter the details properly, and if you don't want, you can delete this one. So this is first typing the information in the document. So once you type the entire information which is required to fill in the PDF document, you can do so many things here. For example, here at the end of the bottom of the page, you can have seen signature is there. Now you can write the name, you can do the you can write the designation also. But how do you sign? Exact signature which you do on normal way or in the normal paper. Now for that, here you can see there are so many options available. Under that you can even insert images also, and here come, this is add signature. That means you can fill the application and you can sign digitally also you can sign, and then you can share the application like a proper form which is filled by you with the signature also. So to add signature, let us select this add signature. Now here new signature you have to create, so let us select new signature. And now here there are so many fonts available or so many different styles available. You can type, so let me type my signature, and you can select whichever font you want or whichever style you want, or you can even draw. Say for example, if you want to do the signature exactly like you do on paper, you can do it. Or if you already have signature, you can upload the signature also. That's better. You sign on a piece of paper and then click that photograph and keep it on your desktop, and you can upload that one. And otherwise, if you have camera, you can select the camera. So here you can see use your camera option has come, so you can take picture and you can upload. So let me go with the simplest way, like typing. Now this is my signature, correct? Let me just block it. Okay, so this is my signature. Now come to the place where you want to insert the signature, and here you can insert the signature. So if you have exactly uploaded the signature which we have written on a piece of paper, then exactly it looks like, or it is exactly your signature only on the document. Now let us go with annotate also. You can do highlight. You can highlight, say for example strike. Let us highlight this one, for example. Let me do it slowly. So you can highlight it. All those things you can do. And then you can insert shapes also. And there are so many other options, find and replace, undo option is also there. So you can use this PDF editor, SageDrive PDF editor, fill the document and sign properly with every details, and then you can send. No need to take the printout, no need to write again, and then again you have to scan the document and then send the document to the email is not required. So in this way you can download the application in PDF format, upload the PDF format in sagedrive.com, do all the requirement information, fill the information, and then what you have to do is before closing this one, you have to apply changes. Here at the bottom you can see apply changes. Select apply changes. So your task is processing. So it will take some time. Now see, everything is done. Now what you have to do is you have to download it. But you can download it or save to Dropbox or save to OneDrive. So let us go with simplest way. You can download it or you can directly take a printout. But we need not to take a printout, because if at all we have a printer, why should we go for online editor? So let us download it. So once you select download, it will ask where to download. So let us go to the desktop, download cache form. Let me type it. So this is your original and this is the edited one. Save. So this is the first way in which you can upload a document which is in PDF format, and you can fill the information and you can download the filled application form with your signature and all those things, and you can share this form in email. Now second one is, let us go back. Now second one is if you have multiple documents, like in one PDF file somebody has sent you multiple documents, multiple files in one single document or in one single file. Now you can split those documents, or you can edit those documents also. Say for example, I'll show you one thing. Here I have one PDF. Let me upload it. Now here in this PDF I have so many PDF documents are there. This is actually report card of one entire section which I teach. Now in this section I don't want all these things. Only one student is asking one report card, but I have multiple report cards in this one single file. Now what I want to do is I want to erase the remaining pages, and I want only one file or one mark sheet in the entire document. So for that what we have to do is, say for example I want to save this document and remaining documents in this PDF file I want to delete. So come to this page. Okay, just select and then delete page. So you can delete pages. Even if there are 100 pages also, you can delete pages and you can keep only one page. See now here, there are so many pages earlier. Now there is only one page I have signed. So in this way you can not only edit, you can even delete multiple pages also, or whichever page you want you can keep it, and remaining pages you can easily delete. Now so after completion of that, see there are so many things you can do digitally. Signature of the teacher, according to your requirement you can do. Now in case if you want to erase it or if you want to change, you can also do that using your PDF editor, and the name of this PDF editor is Sejda. It's a sejda.com. Okay, so after completion of that, same apply changes. So your task is processing. Once you apply changes, see, out of, like, it was earlier 10 pages in the document, now it has only 1 page. So download this one. Now save PDF1 or name of the student for which you want to send this document. After saving, it is saved in PDF. So here this is the original PDF, what you call Acrobat reader. So here it has only one form. Earlier it is PDF. You can see so many pages are in this. So in this way, not only you can write in the PDF editor, sign in the PDF editor, PDF file, even you can cut the PDF file also. Now there is one more, like government issued documents will be there, where you have to sign again and you have to recirculate. So even for that case also, you can upload the document in the sejda.com, upload this file. Let us go back, upload the file. Say for example, something like special, any document, government document or any document issued by you, and here if you want to write anything, you can write and you can edit the document and you can download. You have to apply the changes. Don't forget that you have to apply changes after completion of your data. That means if you receive so many documents from outside, you need not to again type those documents. You need not to convert those documents into Word form to edit those documents. Directly you can edit the documents even in the PDF format. Apply changes, save those things, and then you can send the file again in the same format without any problem. So this is a video about how to edit PDF files online. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you can receive latest updates information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. And always remember, stay home, stay safe, and stay strong. Take care.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have come to the end of this video, I believe that you are interested to watch a few more videos related to the topic. So now you can check this out video or watch this one. Click this video, it will take you into another video.